Hey, let's talk about how to make an ebook fast. Now, this is a Designrr tutorial and review video, and I have the link for Designrr in the description and the top of the comment section so you can try it out for yourself. But it is a really good program. It's going to make ebooks for you really quickly and make it a breeze to use. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open Designrr like you see right here. You can see my projects, drafts, all these things, but you're going to go to the dashboard. You're going to go create an ebook. Now, there's lots of different ways that you can import from URLs, Word documents, Google Docs, and then the more you pay, the more things basically that you can import from. So you could even import from a YouTube video if you wanted to. Let's just create a PDF using a URL from an article I wrote a long time ago. I went over there already. I grabbed the URL for the article. You'll see that right here, and you're going to click Fetch. And then it recognizes this is the article, it's a LinkedIn article. And then you can add some tags here if you want, but I just hit next. You see it says here, great, now let's pick a template. All right, and you can search through different things here, categories and all these things, but just so we don't waste your time, let's go ahead and say that we're gonna click this one. So what it's doing right now is it's gathering all the information from the article, exporting it, and then importing it into this. You can see the article, 3 simple reasons why people ignore your marketing and what to do about it. And then as you see here, it has gathered all the information and posted it in here. So here are 3 simple reasons. If you want to adjust these different things, you can move these all around. You can really do a lot here and just change things. See over here, you can change the actual text color. You can change the letter spacing. You can change backgrounds, positioning. There's a lot of things you can do with it. Just make sure it's in alignment with your brand. But as we scroll down here, let's say that we liked that. We went through here and changed things. Let's say we wanted to put a call to action here and go to www.whatever.com. One other cool thing is you can even highlight something like this and put hyperlinks in here. So if you wanted this to go to a sales page or a YouTube video or a cart, whatever, people can do that. You can import these links all throughout this PDF so that when you export it, people can click on it, which is a really cool tool. When we click on elements, you can see a lot of different things that you can add to your document. If you wanted to add in a video, you can use a YouTube video, or Vimeo or Wistia video and add those in. A Designrr will link to the external video. So you would put, I believe, your YouTube link in here and it will go to that video. So again, if you're wanting to make these a little more interactive, you're wanting people to be able to find other content or watch something that they've created, you can plug that in there. You can put QR codes in here. A lot of different things that you can do to really customize this and make this something that's actually going to make you money. Let's assume we're all done. We want to go ahead and publish. We're going to come down here and we're going to click publish. Now this is going to give you some different options depending on what level you've purchased of Designrr. You can create a PDF, EPUB export. I'm not sure what that is, but the audiobooks, stuff for e-readers, live ebooks, flipbooks, all of this. All you would need to do, just if you're wanting a regular thing, go ahead and hit for Adobe Reader. You can click that, and then you can go ahead and hit the export button from there. And then it's going to go ahead and start building everything. It gives you a notification, success, your ebook is ready. You can either open the flipbook or download your PDF. Let's just say open the flipbook just so we can see it. And here you go. And as you can see, it's really nice. Again, click on the link to try out Designrr at the top of the comment section. And if you're interested in seeing the differences between Designrr and Canva, go ahead and click over here.